$100 deposit to $18,000 profit. Is it possible? Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling the question on everyone's mind. Can a $100 account really turn into $18,000 with a boom and crash auto trading robot? We're doing a live back test to find out. No clickbait, just raw results. Let's dive in. First, for the newbies, boom and crash are synthetic indices known for wild volatility. They boom, rise, or crash, drop rapidly, making them a magnet for short-term traders. But timing these moves is brutal, which is why traders turn to bots like M.EA. This robot claims to use AI and technical patterns to predict peaks and crashes. But does it work? Let's test it live. This is a boom and crash auto trading bot designed to analyze market trends and execute trades instantly. Setting up is a breeze. Just install the robot on your trading platform, adjust the settings to your liking, and let it do the rest. No prior trading experience needed. And here's the result. In just a short time, our balance has skyrocketed to $18,000. Ready to transform your trading journey? Download the Boom and Crash Auto Trading Robot today and start your journey to consistent profits. Want to see more live tests? Smash the like button and subscribe for the latest trading strategies.